Hi, I'm Katie with the Frain Group. Today we're demonstrating a fully integrated bottling line, which consists of a 10-head overflow filler, an inkjet coater, and a wraparound labeler. We recommend read the manuals in their entirety before powering up the machines. Lines like these are capable of running many different products in a large variety of container sizes, such as the ones you see here. Today we'll be filling this bottle at a rate of 2,100 shipping cases per single shift.